Hey guys, I'm gonna show you how to fix if Twitch drops not showing on Riot account. So step 1, check if Twitch is linked to Riot. So go to Twitch and go to your profile, go to settings. So open Twitch connections, look for Riot Games under connections, and if it's not connected, click on connect in here. So you should have that button on your side. Now for step 2, log into the correct Riot account. So a lot of people accidentally connect the wrong Riot account. So go to riotgames.com and go to your account settings. Check the right username you're logged into and make sure it's the same account you use for VALORANT, League of Legends, or other Riot games. Step 3 is to claim the drop on Twitch. So let's go back to Twitch. So even if you watch the stream, rewards won't appear until claimed. So go to your profile and go to drops and rewards. So find your right reward and click claim. Now for step 4, restart the right game. After claiming, close the right client completely and reopen the game. Then check your inventory collection or reward section. Now, step 5 is to disconnect and reconnect accounts. So, this is the most effective fix. So, on Twitch, let's go back to settings, go to connections. So, scroll down to Riot Games and let's disconnect this. Yes, disconnect. And let's connect it again. So, click on connect. So, sign into your Riot Games account. Once successful, close this window and reload the page. So, after reconnecting, watch a drops enabled stream again for a few minutes, then recheck your inventory. So, step 6 is to wait for delays. Sometimes rewards take up to 50 minutes, a few hours, or up to 24 hours during big events. So, especially during sports tournaments and major drops campaigns. And that's basically it. I hope that helps. Thanks for watching.